And then yung Silicon Valley team, Silicon Valley TV series team, marami mga competitors pinupuntahan yan. Yung mga Silicon Valley episodes. Sometimes nagko-compete yan. They're hiding source code, the research, the results from each other. Yung mga sabi mo, ang iba, yung mga team ko, they were encrypting their digital files. So, yung TV, yung Silicon Valley team, dinidecrypt din yung other teams. And then, sometimes friendly competition, na-decrypt, also practice in encryption and decryption and cracking, breaking ciphers. Encryption, allowed naman yun pag makikita. Tapos sa Masbate meron din Silicon Valley TV series episodes shoots. Tapos minsan balik naman kami sa Metro Manila, sa Manila. Yun nga yung mga patapos na yan, yung mga problems dyan pinapatigil na sila or mga problems yan nanakawan na sila, may mga kalaban, mga threats pinapatigil muna. May mga protectors din, mga secure na mga tech companies na affiliated o acquired or will be acquired by Google in the future. So the Silicon Valley team are feeling secure also about their money and security after mass problems and fights. Diyan naman yan sa pagka yung mga kung saan mo sila hanapin sometimes diyan yung sa Lower Antipolo, sa baba ng Sumulong, Lower Antipolo. And then Marcos Highway Quezon City, back to sila sa Katipunan Avenue. Then Quezon City and maybe Project Treville na area kahit saan. And then Kamuning, maybe nakarating sila ng Kamuning. Doon sa Kamuning, lagpas ng EDSA from Project 2. O doon na doon sa Biluna, I'm not so sure. Doon sa Kamuning. And then, one time, may mga, parang maganda na rin dyan sa Pasay, Paranaque. Paglapas mo ng Pasay, papasok ka ng Pasay, Paranaque, maganda na ulit, nandiyan sila dati. mga gawa rin namin, mga company, dyan, mga business companies yan, mga malalaking buildings. Mga plants ngayon pa tech companies facilities sa mga Paranaque. I found them there one time. Maybe asking them for some technology results or some important results in encryption and cryptography, decryption. Kasi nag-ano nga sila, they were also decrypting the other people's and other teams very important files before na kailangan ma-decrypt some formats that are unknown to them, video formats and others of different metadata, different sizes, undecipherable, that be easily understood. So they were decrypting encrypted files. And then sa Tanay, nakapunta rin kami doon. May mga beach resorts doon na mga resorts na swimming pool o beach resorts. I remember they were asking me for some people, research team na may knowledge na sa doing research into supercomputing and distributed computing to make faster nga siguro their decryption, cracking and breaking codes and ciphers and passcodes. Siyempre hindi maiwasan maging may part militaristic na yung environment nila kahit doon pa lang sa Robinson Southeast area sa Ilapaw sa lagpas ng Robinson Southeast. Kaya kinakausap sila ng mga military US and others, they will be paid niya. I was also saying that, telling that to the American groups. Kumbaga, mangyayari ulit, sabi ko, yung Google nga, yung Google Kasi Microsoft na continue, alam natin maintain or retain ang Microsoft and Apple, IBM, Intel, since or from 1970s. Pero ang Google and Facebook, alam naman natin, they started up in 1998 and 2004 respectively. So yun mga usapan noon. Ngayon sa Google nga, mga work nila for Google, tech companies na gawa na. Kaya also nga pala, previously may mga shooting din yan sa Silicon Valley, hindi lang sa Project Tutra and Viluna or sa Katuna area and Kamuning. Or sa Manila din, lalo na sa Manila. And then, Intramuros. Kasi Intramuros, that's may Microsoft area also. Meron din ang Google. Meron din dyan. Ang Google, ang Silicon Valley, TV series team, Google team nga, and other tech companies. So, yung mga usapan na mariretain ang Google, start up ang Google and Facebook and other tech companies. That's the Silicon Valley team. This largely dyan sila sa Quezon City, Katipunan Avenue nga. Katipunan Avenue. And then Marcos Highway from Marikina sa Tulang Pasig to Masinag. That's also a tech company. Puro tech tech company zone. Yan nga yung sinasabi namin na plano namin na Googleplex. Sabi na iba, just Googleplex. Pero ang naalala ko isa sa ginagawa kong Googleplex, maybe we're creating another transferring the Googleplex officially. Yan yung sa Katuna Village. May plan na Googleplex. Pero ang nandiyan naman na time is yung sa Reboot, The Guardian Code, the TV series. They're part of Google. And that will be we'll plan it to be a Googleplex. Katuna Village, Quezon City. Sa may Kamyas, Viluna. And then, yun nga, Googleplex dyan. Pero yung other teams, they wanted Googleplex to saying that would be Marcos Highway from Santolan, Pasig nga to Masinag. Hindi lang yung Googleplex, siyempre dahil marami, actually tech yan mga tech companies niya, 1970s. Nandiyan ang Microsoft, nandiyan ang Apple. Nag-stage niya ng mga conventions and exposition of products, exhibitions sa Marcos Highway ang Apple before. Apple, a company. Another tech companies. Kaya dyan kami dati. Kaya sinisiraan nyo dati yung Microsoft, yan sa Masinag Market ngayon. By early 80s, ginagawa nila Masinag Market. O baka Masinag Market na nga. Kasi dahil yan dati yung mga tech company facilities lang na mga pirates, na tawag na pirates. Diyan na makita yung ibang pirates group, nasisiraan na. Yung mga Microsoft, mga tech teams, ng Microsoft Google, kahit saan naman yung nakakarating, they were collaborating with each other. They visit each other's buildings, tech company buildings and facilities. So, yan yung sa Marcos Highway. Silicon Valley team, Silicon Valley TV series team, largely sa yan, kami. Quezon City, Katipunan Avenue nga. And then, Project 3, then Robinson Homes is Antipolo. Then Lower Antipolo.